Hi and welcome to yet another review. So these are two exhausts side by side. This is a standard S1000RR 2017-18 model year exhaust. It fixes up and the front servo motor and that interference pipes is driven by that servo motor. And this is a Krapovich titanium exhaust system, which is BMW called HP titanium exhaust system. So this one made from titanium and it has no servo motor driven interference pipes. However, there are some fixed connections between the exhaust pipes, collector pipes. So let's weight them once over again just to see what is the weight saving. So these are my scales. So just me on the scales is 80.7 kilograms. We've got thinner. So with a titanium exhaust system, it's 85.8. And with stock exhaust system, it's 89.2. So obviously the difference between my weight and the exhaust system, sorry, the difference between my weight and whatever exhaust I have, that's the weight of the exhaust. So significant weight saving, isn't it? The stock versus the sports titanium. So it still has the standard exhaust, and there is a nice carbon cover which could be put in here. The exit pipe, as you can see, is much wider comparing to the standard stock exhaust. And this slip-on, this is like a GP exhaust from Krapovich. You can see it has like a adapter here. At the moment it is inserted in this pipe. So into the stock pipe it goes with adapter, into this one it goes straight. So this adapter needs to be removed from the exhaust pipe. And that's it. So it should all get in nicely. So I'm going to begin the installation now. This is my bike sitting there. So yeah. So obviously weight saving. So that plus lithium battery would give you significant weight saving, I guess, on your bike. I'm not sure about the power. I guess the power eventually will be about the same, but we shall see. Probably I'll take a bike to the dyno at some point and see how much it kind of produces. Yeah, and obviously the build quality, as you can see, it's like night and day between these two. Okay, so let's start the installation and I'll update you when it's done. Bye.